The processes for acquiring Swedish and Portuguese citizenship differ in terms of residency requirements, language proficiency, and naturalization procedures. Here's a comparison of the key factors for each. In Sweden, applicants must have lived in the country for 5 years with legal and continuous residence. Nordic citizens from Denmark, Finland, Iceland, or Norway only need 2 years of residence to apply. Refugees or individuals with special protection status may qualify with a shorter residence period, typically around 4 years. In Portugal, applicants must also have 5 years of legal residence to apply. However, for applicants from Portuguese-speaking countries, Lusophone countries, the residence requirement is reduced to 3 years. Additionally, spouses of Portuguese citizens can apply after 3 years of marriage or partnership. Sweden does not have a mandatory language requirement for citizenship, though knowing Swedish can help with integration and daily life. On the other hand, Portugal requires applicants to demonstrate basic knowledge of Portuguese, generally at an A2 level. This proficiency can be shown through a language test or by completing a recognized language course. In both Sweden and Portugal, applicants must be at least 18 years old to apply for citizenship. However, minors can be naturalized if their parents obtain citizenship. In Sweden, minors may also acquire citizenship if their parents are granted Swedish citizenship. Similarly, in Portugal, minors can become citizens if their parents are Portuguese or if they have resided in Portugal for at least 3 years. For both countries, applicants must demonstrate good conduct. In Sweden, this means having no significant criminal record and being financially independent, as relying on state benefits or being in severe debt may hinder the application. Portugal also requires a clean criminal record in both Portugal and the applicant's home country. Additionally, integration into Portuguese society, such as through employment or business, may help support an application. Both Sweden and Portugal allow dual citizenship. This means applicants do not need to renounce their previous nationality when they become citizens of either country. In Sweden, the application is submitted to the Swedish Migration Agency, and the processing time typically ranges from several months to a year. Similarly, in Portugal, applications are submitted to the Portuguese Conservatory of Civil Registries, and the process also takes between several months and over a year. To summarize, Sweden requires a 5-year residency, has no language requirement, and focuses on good conduct and financial independence. In comparison, Portugal requires 5 years of residence, but offers a shorter 3-year requirement for Lusophone citizens or spouses. Portugal mandates basic Portuguese language skills, while Sweden does not require any language proficiency. Both countries allow dual citizenship and have similar application processing times, though Portugal offers more flexibility depending on the applicant's background.